Alright, just another lunch idea. I'm making myself lunch once again. So I got some French bread. Normally you would make this on a bagel, but I don't have any. So it's just some French bread. Put some cream cheese on it. In New York, you can actually get this at a deli. They call it Lox and Bagels, but I don't, like I said, I don't have any bagels. And Lox is nothing more than smoked salmon. And when I was at the supermarket a couple of minutes ago, they had the packets on sale. I don't remember how much it was, but even on sale, it's still pretty expensive. So it's not like the cheapest lunch in the world, but it's good. So there's the cream cheese. I got a piece of an onion here, raw onion, which I shouldn't be eating because it gives me terrible, terrible heartburn. You cut it really thin. Put that on there. Just raw onion. Again, I shouldn't be eating this, but I'm going to. Because it's good. Alright, a little bit of onion now. The lox, or the smoked salmon. Some capers. Should have put the capers on earlier first. I just pushed them down into the cream cheese a little bit so that I could turn these over. All right, there's that. I think with this, cold beer. All right, here we go. There it is. Really good. It's better on a bagel. But it's still really good. And there's a simple lunch idea. instead of fast food. Give it a try.